Hey guys, welcome back. Let's see this position. It's very tricky position, right? White is not able to see what black is going to do, and see my knight jumps to h6. Then the queen comes on a4. Then my queen goes there, and then I took the bishop here, right? See, the bishop took my rook, and it was seeing that he free में मेरा rook ले गया, right? But I killed the bishop, and then the queen was trying to enter it without any support, right? Then the knight was jumping here and there, it came on h4, and then I took it simply, right? Then the bishop came here and threatening me, like यहाँ पे एक threatening था कि यहाँ पे it tagged both my queen and my rook. But what I did, I jumped, I made my queen jump to g5. What happens here? There is a checkmate at g2, right? You are seeing that there is checkmate at g2 with my knight and queen. That's why my now queen was safe. Now it is threatening my knight, but you can say here the white can't take my knight, because if it takes from the pawn, it will be a check, right? So now I will save my rook here. I don't have any tension about my knight because it's safe. Now the bishop is again threatening, yeah, queen, I will take your queen, right? But my knight jumps again, giving a check, and then again I made my queen safe, and again there is a threat of checkmate on h2, right? Then it advances its pawn, and there's a like hidden entrance. You can see my queen enters in g4, a hidden entrance, right? Then the king is coming to take its center, right? But my again knight is coming from the back, giving the support, and the rook. This is the mistake. This is the blunder that the white did, because there was no sense of moving its knight to a7, right? Then my rook simply my knight rook simply took the pawn on h4, because the pawn of white, that is on g3, cannot take my knight because there will be a check, and then I give a final checkmate. You can see, because white was लाइक कि कंपल्शन था वाइट को कि वाइट फोर्स था, लाइक फोर्स चेकमेट था यहाँ पे, क्योंकि व्हेन माय नाइट टुक द पॉन, द किंग वाज नॉट इन अ पोजीशन टू टेक माय नाइट बैक. यहाँ पे जो पॉन था g3 पे, ये पोजीशन में था ही नहीं कि मेरा नाइट ले सके, मतलब उसको ज़बरदस्ती फंसा के चेकमेट. मतलब यहाँ पे यू कैन सी व्हाट वाज माय पोजीशन अर्लियर. यहाँ पे थ्रेटनिंग आ गया था, दोनों क्वीन और मेरा यहाँ पे रुक दोनों टैग हो गया था बिशप से, राइट? बट व्हाट आई सी हियर, मैं यहाँ पे चेकमेट को थ्रेटन करने लगा, चेकमेट से मैं अपना फिर गेम पलटा. यहाँ पे यू कैन सी इट, that was a clear amendment, or there was clear turn in my game, right? So yeah, there will be more interesting gameplays such like that, and yeah, join with me. And so